Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Writers and content creators, welcome to Rytr, your AI writing assistant. In this beginner's guide, we will dive into the essentials and explore how Rytr can revolutionize your writing process, helping you craft engaging content effortlessly. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So first thing first, guys, is to go ahead and open Rytr.me. So there we go. Click on this one, and this is the website. Now for Rytr, guys, it is a very useful tool for those who are working as bloggers, those who have school articles or projects to work on, and other things such as this. So it helps you a lot to convert a text from a language to another. It helps you a lot to simply create blocks from only a small prompt. It helps you also to correct texts and errors within your grammar that you have done within your text. It's basically a bunch of writing skills that you might need to accomplish your perfect blog or text or article. It also allows you to choose a tone and voice, and with it you can literally write text that can be professional, familiar language, or even like street language. It can be political language or any kind of languages that you might need, so you can have the text based on the situation that you are going to work with. Now how we can start using it? Well, first of all, this Rytr has three different plans. The first plan is the free plan. The free is forever, and it has no CC required. CC stands for credit card. This is the things or the feature that you might get. AI content generation. You will have 10k characters per month that will be generated by AI for you. Tone of voice match. You will have no tone match. Polygrism check, none. Languages, only one. So here we'll have also a Chrome extension that comes with it, 20 pre-programmed tones of voice, access to exclusive community, and that's it. There is also the unlimited plan, which comes around $7.5 per month with the yearly plan, but per the monthly it's gonna be around $9 per month. So here you will have AI content generation unlimited. For us, we don't really need that, so this is not really a key feature. Basically because you have ChatGPT, which is for free. We could ask it literally for any content generation, and it will make it happen for us. There is the tone of voice match. There is one tone match, and for the plagiarism checks, it has 50 per month. The language 1, character input limit doubled, and basically there is the Chrome extension, 20 pre-programmed tones of voices, access to exclusive community, and there is a priority within the support. Finally, here we have the premium plan. It is mainly made for freelancers that need to create content for multiple brands. For AI content generation, you will have unlimited words, and for the tone of voice, you will have multiple tone match. For plagiarism checks, you will have 100 per month, and languages 35 plus. For the character input limit, you will have limit tripled. So for example, here let me explain it how it works. For example, let's say the limit in free is basically 200, so the limit in here will be 400, and the limit in here will be basically 600. So this is how it works, and you will have all the other cases like features that's been mentioned before, and also the custom use of case. Now let's start using it. Click on start writing, and there we go. So I have logged in directly to my account. Now let's click on create, and let me just go ahead and create a new document, and let's name it tutorial, and there we go. So here let's choose use of case. So here I'm going to do let's say I would like to have landing page, website, LinkedIn post, magic command, newsletter, question, real estate, create your own use of case, blog idea outline, blog section writing. Okay, let's do this. I would like it to write me a blog section writing, section header or topic. So let's do, for example, Messi 2010 and versus Messi 2024. Section keywords: Barcelona, Cristiano Ronaldo, Real Madrid, trophies, Ballon d'Or, and etc. So here we are basically giving him, or giving the AI, the section header, which will basically write for us this article for, and here the keyword that should base on, and here a variant. So we could write here, for example, let's give us 2 variants of text that we could choose from, and the creativity. Would you like to be medium, high, max, or anything? For us, we would like to have medium. Let's click here, write for me, and it should start writing right here. So here you will have the amount of words and characters that has been written. So there we go. Lionel Messi legacy as one of the greatest footballers of all time is undisputed, but the comparison between his performance in 2010 and hypothetically 2024 is a fascinating one. In 2010, Messi was the peak of his powers, leading Barcelona to an ascendant treble and cementing his status as the world's best player. Fast forward to 24 and Messi would be 37 years old, potentially near the end of his illustrated careers, however, etc, etc, etc. So the AI is actually writing for us a whole article about Messi between 2024 and 2010. Even it is mentioning some domination and some skills that he has. So basically it fulfilled the thing that I have asked it for, and the mission has been accomplished successfully. So nothing of the keywords, I mean, there's some keyword that has not been mentioned exactly how I wanted them to be, but as I said guys, this is only the free version. You could make it look better in case you had the premium version. So this is it for today's video guys. This is how you could use Rytr. Of course, you can download an extension that could help you not only use Rytr on this app, but you could use Rytr directly in your blog or your emails or whatever app you are using within the browser. So guys, that was it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.